Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to become an Amazon affiliate on TikTok. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So first thing you can do is go to Amazon's affiliate program.com, or you can simply search it on Google and you just click on one of the links here, the affiliate program, or you can also click on create affiliate links. This will route you to their help center and it will provide you the step-by-step process and how you'll be able to generate an affiliate link as an Amazon associate. So here you can have the option the text link, the image link, where you can easily share it on your social media, or you also have mobile get link or other platforms here that they offer. So as you can see here, in order for you to be able to get those affiliate links from Amazon, you need to log in if you haven't created an Amazon account yet, or if you have created an Amazon account rather, you can simply sign in with your username and password. But if you haven't created one, you can go ahead and click on create your Amazon account. And you just fill out all the details here, your name, your email, and also create your password. Once you're done, you just simply click on create password or create your Amazon account once everything has been filled out. So you simply click on that button and then Amazon will send a verification email to your email address, and there would be a 6-digit one-time PIN or one-time password. So you just simply go to your email address, and once you are successfully logged in, you'll be able to see that the email or the number I'm using is currently not connected to the associate's account. So the account needs to be previously connected to the Amazon, or it could be that the email address or the phone number I'm using is connected previously with Amazon. But as you can see with the Amazon associates, there is no, or there's a limited country on who will be able to use this program. And unfortunately, this is not available to all worldwide, but there are only some options. I believe that's from America or Europe. I'm not very familiar, but here for Philippines, it currently does not have an option. So as I mentioned earlier, SiteStripe is one of the tools where you'll be able to generate a link, whether it's text or an image, but this needs to have a permission so that you'll be able to use it. Here you have Idea Hub and Mobile Get Link. So you can just simply click on this Mobile Get Link hyperlink and you'll be routed into this page. This will teach you a step-by-step process and how you'll be able to get the link or how this works. So you can simply go to the product page, click on share, and then click on copy associates link and get a short URL so that you'll be able to tag and just post it into your social media account, especially for your TikTok. So there's a short video here that Amazon is preparing you for the mobile get link, wherein with this tool, it actually will allow you to have a remote access on how you'll be able to become an affiliate marketer here with Amazon. Just simply log in your mobile device, and then you'll be able to open a product or choose a product that you want to sell or to promote, and just click on that share button and you have the store ID and the tracking ID, and once done, click on copy affiliate link. And once it's copied to your clipboard, you can either send it through text message or email directly, or another option here is that since this is for TikTok, you can go to your TikTok account, and once you've posted the product about, or once you have posted a video about that product, you can simply put the link in the description box provided for your TikTok video. So that's basically it. That's how you will be able to create an Amazon affiliate. But another process here is that you can directly connect your Amazon account or Amazon affiliate into your TikTok account. Just simply go to Amazon Influencers program. Here you can build your storefront wherein you can customize your Amazon affiliate link or URL, and then you can create your content and recommend products to your audience, and from there you'll be able to earn money once they click and purchase that product. So once you're done, you just simply click on sign up, and as you can see, I had already had the existing account that we created earlier. Simply click on that account. So you have options here, whether you can post it on other social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook. And since this is for TikTok, you can just simply click on this and click on sign up with TikTok. But keep in mind, here with this TikTok affiliate program from Amazon, it actually needs, or they will be checking your eligibility, wherein there is a number of followers, or I believe that's 500 followers for you to be able to connect your Amazon account to your TikTok account. So you will see this later on, since my TikTok account does not have a lot of followers yet, or it does not meet their requirements. You'll see that when I click or sign in with my TikTok account, it may not go through. But all you have to do is that once you want to connect your Amazon Influencers Program account into your TikTok, make sure you have at least 500 followers, whether it's for other social media account or for TikTok. So here, you just simply click on or sign in with your TikTok account. I'll just use this QR code. And on your mobile phone, you can simply scan the QR code, and you'll be able to log in your TikTok account on the desktop just by authorizing that on your mobile phone, which you will be seeing on later on. So you will see here that you just need to scan this with your mobile camera, and then you just need to confirm the login or the sign up. As you can see, it notified that the QR code has been scanned, and this is what it would look like on your mobile phone. Just click on confirm. And there you have it. Your login has been successful, and once you are done logging in, you will need to authorize your Amazon influencers access to your TikTok account. You are provided with the details on what it does. So you just simply click on continue, and here you'll be routed for a page where, as I mentioned, they ask or they notify you that thank you for applying, but unfortunately the account does not meet the eligibility requirements yet. So you need to make sure that when you will be creating your own Amazon affiliate account and connect it to TikTok, you have enough followers so that you will be able to successfully apply for their Amazon influencer program. And that's basically it. That's how you become an Amazon affiliate on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!